press fanatics, this is your Halloween gift. We're gonna take this pumpkin and smash it in this smashing press. This is basically a big vise. It's just gonna come down and smush it. We have 2 speeds now. Oh, I forgot one thing, safety first. First speed. Real slow. Uh-oh. Wrong way. This pumpkin's giving us a little bit of trouble before it goes down. This is what you call anticipation. Okay, here we go. We were going the right way the first time. All right. I told you it was giving me some trouble. Such a nice looking pumpkin. Now we gotta wait for the motor to slow down again. Have we told you about Sterling Machinery yet? We have thousands of machines here, new and used for you for sale, for buy, sell, or trade. Let us help you one way or another. Now we're gonna give you a little entertainment, because I know it hasn't come yet. All right, it's coming down. I told you it wasn't quick. Oh. Okay, so it turns out that it hit the limit switch, and that was just about as much as we can close without having to block it up. So now we blocked it up and we're back in action. Hold this big old brake here like I'm starting a train. We'll put in the secondary speed here. See, it's split from the back, but Sterling Machinery's holding strong. There she goes. There you go, pumpkin squished. Call sterlingmachinery.com for your every machinery need.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.